Well, you hear what Uncle Dave did? Not again. Oh, yes. Here we go. Dave never turned it on. Said he'd rather trust a pencil and his thumb. We said Google no. He just shook his head. If Google gets hungry, can Google rolled Bought him fancy snacks, didn't even chew. Reached into his pocket, pulled out Cheasies too. Some folks sip champagne, some folks drink fine wine. Give Uncle Dave Clamato, he'll tell you, now that's divine. Waitress brought the mayo, bless her little heart. Thought she'd serve the finest part. Lead just stared across the room like she'd wheeled in his certain doom. You can have opinions, that's alright, unless they're different from Uncle's right. He'll nod politely, stroke his chin, smile real nice, then begin a 40-minute explanation. Why? You're raw. Don't mention Skippy. No, please don't. Please. Last fella didn't hear the end of it. For which drives us crazy every day. Wouldn't change him anyway. He'll question gadgets, fix old junk, drink a mayo, borrow trunk. Hate your mayo, love his ways. Life's just better with Uncle Dave. Everybody's talking, everybody knows, everybody smiles wherever he goes.